Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Today we're going to learn how to add something to the start folder, like if you want something to start up automatically when you run or start Windows 10. So what we're going to do today, I'm going to teach you how to do that. Real simple. You want to go into this is the folder structure and how you get into it. So you go into Users, the name of the user itself, and then you have to find your app data, which is not physically here. So you're going to need to go into View, Options, View tab, click on Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Okay, hit Apply. Then you'll be able to find your app data. This is such a pain in the ass. It's unbelievable. App data, roaming, Microsoft, Windows, Start menu, Programs, Startup. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. This is the folder tree that you need, and then you drop anything in here, it'll run on startup. Simple as that. So if you want to like do a TeamSpeak server or an FTP site, whatever it is, you would drop the shortcut here and it'll automatically run when you restart Windows. So this is short and sweet. As you can clearly see the folder structure, so it's users, username, app data, roaming, Microsoft, Windows, start menu, programs, startup. That is the folder structure, and that's how it's done. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. Now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,